Hi everyone, my name is Tanisha and I am a product designer here at GeekyAnts. It has been around 2.5 years approximately working with some amazing people here, and I really appreciate this opportunity to be able to share some insights with everyone here. So without further ado, I would just jump into the presentation. As a designer, you may have heard a lot of buzz about artificial intelligence and how it's changing the industry. While some designers may have apprehensive about using AI and it's in their work, this presentation is here to show you how AI can be actually can AI can actually enhance your abilities and make your work more efficient. Basically, how to design smarter with AI. In this presentation, we will explore the many ways in which AI can benefit designers and show you practical tips and techniques for incorporating AI into your design workflow. We'll cover everything from streamlining workflows to generating new ideas, making informed decisions, and unlocking creativity. We'll also address potential challenges and ethical consideration when working with AI in design and provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to overcome them. So if you are a designer or who is curious about the possibilities that AI presents for enhancing your abilities, this presentation is for you. Get ready to learn how to design smarter with AI and take your work to new heights. How can AI enhance a designer's ability? Now, AI can be a powerful tool to enhance a designer's abilities, and it's not just limited to complex tasks that require coding and programming skills. In fact, AI is becoming increasingly integrated into everyday design tasks, making it more accessible and user-friendly. Gone are the days of robots ruling the world and enslaving humanity. Let's forget those pesky stereotypes of AI taking over the world and instead focus on the benefits that it can bring to our creative lives as designers. AI is here to assist us in our daily design tasks and help us unleash our creative potential like never before. Think of it like a design sidekick or maybe even a design fairy godmother, granting us the power to streamline workflows, unlock your creativity, and make informed decisions. So let's dive in and discover how AI can be a powerful tool for enhancing our abilities as designers. Streamlining workflows. Now picture this. You've got a mountain of design work to do, or perhaps you're working from a mountainous location. But you also have a million of other things to take care of. Things like adding dummy contents, analyzing user feedback and data, finding relevant icons to match the UI, or even renaming layers, which is the worst. But you wish you had a clone to help you out? But let's face it, that thing does not exist. One of the benefits of AI in design is its ability to automate time-consuming and repetitive tasks, such as resizing image, creating color palettes, or formatting texts. This frees up a designer to focus on more creative work, such as brainstorming ideas, exploring different design decision options, and experimenting new techniques. By automating mundane tasks, AI can help designers streamline their workflows and be more efficient, enabling them to devote more time and energy to creative aspects of their work. With AI as partner, designers can let go the tedious task and be more creative in their tasks. Now, these are few examples of AI tools that are available that helps in automated image generation and cropping and resizing of images. Under automated image generation, we have tools like Stable Diffusion, Midjourney, Image Creator, DALL-E, Iconify, which generates breathtaking images based on your prompts. Tools such as Smart Crop by Cloudinary, IM Resizer, ImageKit, and Tumblr help you crop and resize image and videos for responsive layouts based on image identification. There are tools like Adobe Colors, ColorMind, Chroma, Palette Generator by Material, Color Hunt, Peculiar, and Colorize that works by using AI algorithms to analyze and identify colors in images and other design elements. The algorithm can detect the dominant color in an image and create a color palette based on them. Some of the tools also generate color schemes based on color theory and principles such as complementary or analogous colors. These generated color scheme can be applied to the design, providing a cohesive and visually appealing look. This process can save designers ton of time and efforts in manually selecting and creating color schemes. Next up, we have some examples of font matching and suggestion tools that analyze font styles and suggestions that can be used in the design projects. Protopie is a web-based font editor that allows you to create custom fonts with the help of UI. FontJoy is a free online tool that uses machine learning to suggest font pairing based on your inputs. FontRapid is an AI-powered font generator that helps you create custom fonts quickly and easily. We have FontArc, that is a browser-based font editor that uses AI to assist in font design and creation. We have Glyphs, a font editor that includes features such as automatic alignment and spacing with the help of AI. We have Calligrapher, which is very interesting because it's a tool that uses your handwriting into a font that you can use in your designs. There is Sky Fonts, that is a font management tool that uses machine learning to suggest fonts based on your design projects. FontSelf, a plugin for Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop that uses AI to help you create your own custom fonts. And finally, Font Finder AI, that uses AI to suggest similar fonts based on your inputs, helping you to find a perfect font for your project. Unlocking creativity. Now, have you ever found yourself staring at a blank canvas, struggling to come up with new ideas? It is very common for designers to get stuck in a creative rut, struggling to come up with something innovative or out of the box. This is when we try to move to a bird's eye view of the entire project requirement, or even speak to our other fellow designers or somebody from the team to have a fresh perspective, or maybe even just take a break for a cup of coffee. Now, this is where AI can step in and provide a helping hand. They can analyze data and generate new ideas based on patterns and trends that might not be immediately apparent to human brains. For example, an AI-powered tool could analyze social media trends and users' behavior to suggest design ideas that would resonate with the target audience. UX designers can use these options as inspiration and refine them to create a final design that meets the needs of both the product as well as the users. This can help UX designers streamline the ideation phase of the design process and come up with more innovative solutions. Here is a list of AI tools that can help designers find inspiration. First is Adobe Sensei, which is an AI-powered tool which helps designers generate new ideas by suggesting alternative designs, layouts, color palettes based on their users' initial design. It is also very interesting to note that Adobe is also taking care of copyright issues, where the next version of it will also come with creator detail as well as locations of all the AI generated artwork. Design Bold is an AI-driven graphic design tool that helps designers generate unique designs by offering an extensive library of design elements, templates, and stock images. We have Picasso, which is an AI-powered tool that converts users supplied images into an unique abstract work of art, providing designers with inspiration for their design projects. Ideation 360 is an AI-powered platform that helps designer brainstorm and ideate by facilitating collaborative idea generation, voting, and prioritizing. Deep Dream Generator uses AI algorithms to transform ordinary images into surreal and dreamlike work of arts, offering designers a unique source of inspiration for their design projects. And finally, we have Galileo AI, which creates delightful, editable UI designs from a simple text description that empowers you to design faster than ever. So, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can also assist designers in brainstorming sessions by providing prompts and suggestions based on their inputs. The more detailed and unique your prompt, the more informative response you get. These are some of very direct prompts that we can use. For example, ChatGPT is something that has been started becoming a part of our lives, and I've been using these kind of prompts to understand what kind of response I would be getting. These here are very direct prompts like create concept art for a video game that is a set of post-apocalyptic world, brainstorm features for a fitness tracker wearable device, etc. But what I found out is that asking tough questions is where the sweet spot is. For example, questions like that would make us think. I think those kind of questions, asking ChatGPT really gives us very interesting answers. For example, show me how this design problem has been solved in completely different industry or contexts. Suggest ideas that might be considered radical or unconventional for this project. What if we removed a key element or feature from this design? What impact would that have in the overall user experience? Can you provide examples of how this design could be made more accessible or inclusive for a wider range of users? There are prompts like, can you suggest ways to simplify or streamline the user journey within this design without sacrificing functionality or key features? Basically, feeding virtual bots with all the information that you know about your project, and then asking these kind of questions really helps really actually help us think in a very fresh perspective. Making informed decisions. Now, imagine a UX designer is working on a mobile app and needs to decide on the placement of a CTA. Now, an AI tool can help this designer take an informed decision by analyzing user data, such as click-through rates and engagement metrics, to suggest the optimum placement of this CTA button. This information can help the designer make data-driven decisions and create a more effective user experience for the app. By analyzing data such as purchase history, online activity, AI algorithms can identify patterns and make predictions about what customers are likely to respond to. This information can be used to inform design decisions and create products that are more likely to appeal to a target audience. AI can also help designers by providing real-time feedback on design choices and identify potential issues before they become major problems. This can save a lot of time and resources and ultimately lead to better design outcomes. Now, here are some examples of AI tools that can help in automated testing for designers. For example, we have something called Perfect Pixel, which is a browser extension that helps designer to compare design mockups with the actual website, identifying any inconsistencies or errors in the design. It puts a transparent image overlay on top of the developed HTML and perform pixel perfect comparison between them. We also have Sketch to Code, which is an AI-powered tool that from Microsoft that can automatically convert hand-drawn sketches into working HTML prototypes, helping to identify inconsistency and errors in the design in the very initial phase. We also have Maze, which is a user testing and research platform that allows designer to test their design with real users. You can also integrate it with your design tools and run your own tests to validate concepts, wireframes, prototypes, and AI on your time. Now, these are some two AI tools that help designer identify and address accessibility issues in their designs, ensuring that they are usable and accessible to all users, which is A11y.ai platform that uses machine learning and computer version to automatically identify accessibility issues in digital content and provide recommendation. There is Color Oracle, which is a color blindness simulator that allows designers to see how their designs would appear to users with different types of color vision deficiencies. It also takes that guesswork out of designing for color blindness by showing you real time with people with common vision impairments. Readable is an AI powered platform that analyzes text for readability and provides suggestions for improving it to make it more accessible to a wider audience. Accessible Colors is another AI-based tool that suggests color palettes that meets accessibility guidelines, ensuring color contrast is compliant for all the users. Now, some practical tips and techniques for incorporating AI into your design workflow would be: first is to familiarize yourself with the AI-powered design tools around you. We can research and try out different AI-powered tools that are available in the market and identify which one can help you streamline your workflow and generate new ideas that are more suitable for you and help you make more informed design decisions. We can use AI tools to automate the repetitive tasks, which is where the first step would be to identify tasks in your design process that are repetitive and time consuming, and explore how AI-powered tools can automate these tasks, allowing you to focus more on the creative side. Experiment with new design ideas through different AI tools, seek inspiration from them. Use AI to get AI-powered tools for predictive analysis and decision making to get valuable insights that can inform your design decision. And finally, you can also use AI-powered tools to create experimentation to break out of your creative rut and explore new design possibilities. And staying up to date with AI in design, which is like a continuous learning process about how new AI-powered design tools and techniques are coming in the market with the latest advancement. And finally, consider collaborating with AI as a tool rather than viewing it as a replacement for human creativity. Use AI to complement your design skills and enhance your ability. When working with AI in design, there are few potential challenges and ethical consideration that we need to keep in mind. One challenge is the possibility of relying too heavily on AI tools, which can lead to a loss of creativity and a human touch in the design process. Additionally, there are concerns that the accuracy and bias of AI algorithms, which can result in designs that are not inclusive or accessible for all different audience. Another ethical consideration is the use of personal data in AI-powered tools. Designers must be mindful of privacy laws and ensure that user data is collected and used in a responsible and transparent manner. As designers, we must strike a delicate balance, I would say, between leveraging AI's capabilities to streamline workflows and generate new ideas, while also maintaining our creativity and personal touch. With thoughtful consideration of ethical, practical, AI can help us create designs that are both innovative and inclusive and ultimately drive better outcomes of ourselves and our users. So let's enhance the potential of AI and design while also remaining mindful of its limitations and the importance of human ingenuity. Thank you for the attention, and I hope this presentation has provided valuable insights and inspiration for everyone to start interacting with AI tools as much as possible.